never mind. And I don't have to have something to do. Either I can watch no matter what. I need to hurt. I've been lifting stuff all day. Why can't it that? Emily, what is doing so good? Whoa! That is awesome! That's cool. I gotta zoom out a little bit now.
Jeez, that's a big fire.
I'm hot. Holy cow! Yeah, that is amazing. Okay, I need to go tell the adult. I can't zoom out. Oh my God, this is awesome! Yeah.
Carter, you gotta hold that way up so then the thing doesn't like blow over and start a big fire.
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, baby! Will someone else do that? Yeah, buddy.
Here, can you go do that, Haley?
Do what?
Hold the towel.
Yes. Sorry about that. I did not mean to do that. And then a little bit.